How to use Shopify Sidekick. Treating Shopify Sidekick like a basic customer service chatbot or a generic text generator means you are completely missing its operational power. Thanks to the platform updates, Sidekick has transformed from a passive assistant into an action-capable business co-pilot that executes multi-step workflows, drafts full email campaigns, and modifies theme designs in plain English. Today, we are moving past basic prompts to master Sidekick's store-wide context and automation execution. Okay, so let's launch the assistant and seed it with direct context from your live storefront database. So log in into your dashboard, then locate the guy with the glasses or in a mask icon right over here. And this is where you're ready to use the Sidekick. So to anchor the AI to a specific element without typing out long descriptions, you need to click the target mode tool icon. So click on the plus and then choose target and then select something, as you can see, anything on your website, there you go. Okay, and you can use mentions options by typing the at, like this. No, there's not exclamation, this. And now, as you can see, you can instantly reference exact products, active discounts codes, or specific customer segments inside your system ledger. Alright guys, and now let's execute advanced programmatic actions instead of just asking surface level questions. So give a Sidekick a clear outcome goal. Instead of asking for advice, command it to build an end-to-end workflow like this. So give this prompt and then just send it. And review the multi-step plan Sidekick spits out. Once it generates the asset or code block behind the scenes, click apply to push the modifications to your store layouts. And in general, you can just ask this Sidekick usual plain English questions, and he will assist you in anything you wish. So just stop wasting hours on agency retainers and use Sidekick. That is it. Hit subscribe if the video was helpful, guys, as always, and like the video, and also leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. See you soon.